Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, delicious, yummicious fried rice. This is very easy to make. The good thing about this recipe is that you can use leftover rice for this recipe, and trust me, it's so delicious. Let's get started. So I'll marinate the shrimps and set it aside. I did that by adding fish powder or fish seasoning. I added in garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder. I also added in chili powder as well. My camera didn't capture that. I'll stir this till well combined and set it aside until it is ready to be used. In my wok, I added in about 3 tablespoons of oil. I added in my beaten eggs. I'm using 4 beaten eggs. So once you added in the eggs, make sure you go in with a spoon, stir it. You're looking for a scrambled egg, so make sure you stir it until it's formed like this, and then take it out from the saucepan. After, I'll add in about a tablespoon of oil, and then I'll fry my sausage. The sausage is totally optional. If you want, you can use it if you have that in hand. I prefer using sausage as well, but this is totally optional. So I stirred this and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I took it out from the frying pan or from my wok. The next thing that I'm going to fry is the shrimps, which is the last thing that I'm going to fry. So after I let this fry or stir fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes, you know, shrimps does not take long to cook. So once it was ready, I took it out from the wok, and then let's go in with the vegetables. For the vegetables, I'm using carrots, green bell pepper, white onion, red bell pepper, and red onion. So basically these are the vegetables that I'm using. I added in grated ginger as well, which was about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more than that. So this is what you're looking for. You can use any vegetables of your choice. The ginger is a great key, so please don't leave out the ginger. Give it extra taste, and it's so delicious with the ginger. So I stirred this and let it cook for about 3 minutes, and then I added in vegetable seasoning and a pinch of salt. You do not want to overcook the veggies. After, stir it again and add in your cooked or your leftover rice. Basically this is simple, it is easy, and it turned out so delicious. All you have to do is prep your vegetables, set it aside, and make them ready. Once they are ready to be used, add them to your saucepan, and then fry this bad boys, add it to it, and you're ready to go. You're good to go. So for seasoning, I added in Maggi seasoning and Worcestershire sauce as well. I added in vegetable seasoning. I'll stir this. You do not want to add in that much Maggi sauce because if not, it will overtake the rice. So please stir, taste if it's for your liking before adding in a bit more. Basically that's it, guys. This is very simple, it is easy, and it turned out so delicious. So I stir it more, and then I added in the fried proteins. Basically that's it, guys. This is so delicious. It turned out yummicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, because it's definitely a must try recipe. It turned out delicious. If you have leftover rice, try this recipe, and trust me, you will love it. You will definitely love it. When you get to this point, lastly the last vegetables that I added to it was spring onions, and this is it, guys. This is very easy to make. It took me no time at all. What I did first was to prep my veggies and kept it aside, fried my eggs, the shrimps, the sausage, and that was it. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? This is not just beautiful, it is amazing, and it is so delicious, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is amazing, it's delicious. Please don't forget to share, give me some stars, because I deserve it. Oh, don't you think I deserve it? So guys, you're all invited. This can be eaten on its own, or you can add grilled chicken to it, and you're good to go. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Adios. and you're invited.